The world is not safe from her.
Watching you.
By the way, she just lunged at Sheila. It's really bad.
When will you die, Sheila? Hey, no, shut it down, no, shut it down at all.
I'm just gonna watch from safe distance. No, get away, get away. I need a wider frame. Get away. Get away. She just humped her dog.
No, I fell. He has a big ass. Why
Nice.
are you looking? Bloody.
Why?
Look at him, he's missing all his hair in his ass. Rape him. His butthole is bloody because she raped him.
Grayfoot butthole is bloody because that thing right there. His name right there. I thought you were supposed to be watching me.
I am watching you. Shutting down the computer and watching it at the same time.
Lindsay, can I have more of that?
No.
Please?
Yeah.
Watch how she'll hit you in the face in it.
So you hit her in the face with it?
Oh, yeah, I'll be back.
Oh, gee.
I'm sorry. See,
I can taste blood. Nothing bad thing. Why not, babe? I don't know yet.
Dude. Please stay away from me, Lindsay. Please. Please. I'm being serious. Please.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you bring me. You're scared of like going way over there.
Yeah,
Like,
like, no,
watching Sam
stop.
sleep.
Stop.
Watching Sam
Yeah,
sleep.
right.
I want my drink. And now I want the dog.
Get away. I don't trust you. Oh my god.
You put Willy Wonka back. You put Willy Wonka back.
It says Willy Wonka.
Yeah. Put it back. Willy Wonka back. Go swimming and put him back.
Throw it to me gently. Gently. Please. Thank you.
I'm not gonna bite you.
Get away.
That's mine.
I hope you know I'm still videotaping this.
You like what was the other?
I don't think she's gonna bite anyone for now.